Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure both controllers are connected and recognized. This game needs input from 2 devices. Once done, launch Wobbly Life and stay on the main menu so the game can detect extra players. Next, have the second player press Start or the Assign button. This registers a local profile and brings up the split screen prompt. Make sure controller LEDs or OS indicators show both devices active, because the game won't split the display until it senses each input. Now you choose a game mode that supports local co-op. Campaign and free roam typically work. After selecting mode, each player picks a character, and the game assigns controls. Confirm button mappings so no one is left driving with inverted inputs. Then open Display or Settings to choose horizontal or vertical split, depending on your monitor orientation. Adjust resolution or HUD scale if options exist so text stays readable. This step ensures both views are usable, and finish by starting the session and having both players confirm readiness. The screen will split once the game acknowledges both inputs. If it doesn't split, immediately reconnect the controllers, swap USB ports, or try toggling controller power, then relaunch Wobbly Life. Make sure console or PC drivers and the game are updated if detection keeps failing. If one controller still won't register, test it in another game to isolate hardware versus game settings so you can act accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.